Now, no matter what sort of four-wheel driving you do, frontal protection and safety are of paramount importance. We all know that a bull bar is one of the first forms of frontal protection, but a windscreen also plays an important role. We're here today with Lou Scacco from ClearPlex Australia. Now, Lou, what role does a windscreen actually play with a vehicle?
Many roles. Firstly, protection from debris. The main problem with the windscreen is that it's very vulnerable. It can get hit by road debris, such as stones, the car in front of you is flicking up. Windscreens can become cracked, chipped or even broken, also sandblasted. Any of those damages will inhibit the driver's ability to visually see through it and impair his sight on the road.
So, Lou, there's a new product on the market. What can you tell us about it?
Simon, it's an optical clear film that goes over your windscreen. It's been specifically designed for either on-road or off-road vehicles. What it does, it has a UV inhibitor in it which lowers the heat that comes into your car. It is impact resistant, stops rocks from cracking and smashing it on impact. It's also world first windscreen wiper resistant film.
What is the film made from and how is it so strong?
It's a polyester film that's been constructed with a hard coat on it. The film's been designed to take impact from rocks and road debris. Once it's had enough hits, you can peel it off and replace it when your windscreen's still in the same condition it was when you first started.
Now, what are the benefits from a cost perspective of installing this windscreen film?
It's probably a third of the cost of a replacement of a windscreen for someone that drives lots of kilometres. This particular film stops you from replacing your screen, protects the OEM seal and helps the integrity of the vehicle. For any driver that knows, the original seal is never the same once it's been replaced. So in order to keep your car in pristine condition, you'd want to keep the original OEM seal.
All right, Lou, how easy is the film to install?
The film can be applied by a trained person. Probably takes about half an hour to do a front windscreen on a regular four-wheel drive.
Now, we've spoken a little bit about front windscreens, but I believe that rear windscreens, especially in four-wheel drive towing caravans, can really benefit from this type of film.
Absolutely. Back windscreens on towing vehicles always get smashed. Back windows are a very costly item to replace.
Who really would it suit?
Any driver that drives a car on a road. For anybody that wants to extend the life of their windscreen to maximise the integrity of their seals and maximise visual acuity when driving, this type of film is ideal. It reduces the risk of you being stuck in the middle of nowhere. Imagine trying to find a windscreen for the rear of a Land Cruiser in the middle of Western Australia.
Now, Lou, apart from damage to a front windscreen being an unroadworthy item, in modern vehicles, a cracked windscreen can actually lower the integrity or the strength of the vehicle itself. So how important is this film in improving the strength and reliability of the vehicle?
If you've replaced a windscreen more than once, you'll know that the integrity of the roof and bonnet and side of the car can alter once you've changed your windscreen. By using the film, it less reduces the risk of you having to change windscreens.
So, Lou, if people need more information about this amazing new ClearPlex film, where can they get that, please?
You jump on the website for four-wheel drive TV.
Lou Scacco from ClearPlex Australia, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you very much, Simon.